Hi, I'm Tori. I'm here today at Molyneaux with Allison, who's a design consultant for Molyneaux, and we are standing in front of a wall of color.
Yes, we are, Tori. As you can see on this kind of gives us more endless possibilities when we're working with a customer. You have vibrant colors. I mean, if you have a little girl or a boy who wants blue carpet, pink carpet, it fits those rooms very well.
Right.
It gives you a lot of variety too on the color tones, so you can match your pink colors. And then you also have your great neutrals and some a little bit of more of a multi-tone. So this gives us endless opportunity and options to fit anybody's needs.
And in addition to all the wonderful colors, this is just a great quality carpet, right?
It is. These have great warranties on them that Molyneaux does back up. I mean, 20-year wear warranties.
Wow.
So this is for a longevity. It's warranted on stairs. It has an awesome backing. And as you can see, a lot of them come in more of a texture versus just your typical plush cut pile carpet as well.
Right. Awesome. So if someone wants to ask Molyneaux about getting this installed in their home or pick the exact right color to go with something at their home, how can they get in touch with you?
They can contact me directly at 412-780-5867, and I will refer them to a design consultant in their area to bring out the different options for them.
I love that you can bring the samples right to your home. That's just so convenient.
It is, and when you're talking color, you need to see it in your room, so it makes it so much easier to choose versus being in a showroom under different lighting.
Right.
And your setting is the best place.
Exactly. Great.
Yes.
Well, for more videos from Molyneaux, check out our Facebook and YouTube pages.